Right, now I know you've heard about the Joy Business Health and Wellness Trade Show. It starts next week, Thursday. And of course, here to tell us more about the event is Nick Opoku. He's the coordinator of Thought Leadership Programs here at Joy FM. Nick, it's good to see you. Why don't you tell us a bit of the background to this event? We've done it once before, haven't we?
We have, and Kojo, thanks for having me. So here at Joy FM, we believe that development is driven by technology. And as you know, there are a number of people who are leveraging technology to help us find solutions to some of the challenges in the healthcare sector. Yeah. People are leveraging technology so that if you buy a medication from a pharmacy, for example, you're able to check whether the medication you've bought is fake or not. Yeah. These days, there are mobile applications that allow sick people to engage health professionals, even without stepping into consulting rooms. Yeah. We thought we could bring all these innovators and health aspects under one umbrella so that they exhibit their products and innovations, and we also have conversations about topical issues in the health sector as well. So it's a 3-day event, which is starting this Thursday, next week Thursday, like you said. It's starting this Thursday. All right, that's excellent. So give us some detail. I mean, how will it all pan out? Who will be there? Will there be exhibits? Talk us through it. Right. So Kojo, is a 3-day event starting this Thursday. Will run through Friday and Saturday. On the one, there will be an opening. We have the honor of having Mrs. Mimi Darkon. She's the CEO of the Food and Drugs Authority. That's right. She'll be delivering an address on the topic Ghana, a pharmaceutical hub in West Africa, the FDA's response to the reality and the potential. And then we would have our guest of honor being the Honorable Minister of Health, Mr. Kweku Agyeman, who help us open the event. And then there'll be a panel discussion that would follow. And the topic for the panel discussion is how we can leverage research, technology to promote access to quality healthcare and make healthcare more affordable and accessible in Ghana. Our discussants for that panel include Dr. Oforia Mankwa. He's the Director of Medical Services at Focus Hospital. Professor Abraham Kwabnanan, he's the director of the Noguchi Medical Research Institute, and Selom Brantier, who's with M-Pedigree. That's right. Now, on day 2, we start with a panel discussion on how we can use research to help people who have challenges with reproductive health. We know there are a number of people out there who want to bring forth children, but they're unable to. People have found alternatives of helping people like that. What can we do to leverage assisted reproductive health so that we can help people, people like that? There's a panel discussion on that. And of course, the trade show will continue throughout this 3 days. Later on that day, on the Friday, there will be a comedy show. We'll have some comedians and musicians passing through to entertain people. And then on Saturday, and Kojo, you should look forward to this. On Saturday, we're having an aerobic session in the morning and a power breakfast between 6 a.m. and 9 a.m. And Kojo, you should really participate in that. Isn't one of those where the aerobic session will be undone by the power breakfast? I love those. So we're entreating everybody to come by. We've invited corporate institutions and gyms and Keep Fit clubs. So everybody should come by and be part of that. Now, later that day, there'll be a health and wellness quiz and food challenge, which is a food competition between corporate organizations. And then in that evening, we'll have some entertainment by the Lipstick Band, which is an all-female band. They play some very exciting tunes and do some very unique choreography to entertain people. So we're entreating everybody to come by and be part of this event. Wow, wow, sounds like a good way to spend 3 days and also get some important information about how to stay healthy. I'm sure we're not doing it alone. We've got sponsors, partners. Right, we do. And we want to say thank you to Pharma Trust and New Crystal Health Services and East Cantonment's Pharmacy. They are sponsors for this event. So, Kojo, we're entreating everybody to come by and be part of this 3-day event, starting on Thursday at the National Theatre. We'll run through Friday and then Saturday. Nick Opoku there helping us put this all together. Thank you so much for joining us. Right, well, Showbiz comes up next. Selinam has the headlines. Stay with us.
To healthcare, as well as costs are driving many to look for alternative ways of staying healthy and ensuring well-being. Learn more and participate at the Joy Business Health and Wellness Trade Show, which will focus on the general healthcare, pharmaceutical, herbal and treatment with exhibitors and businesses from these industries. There will also be activities for direct consumer engagement and specialized discussions for corporate wellness, general well-being, debilitating health issues and concerns. It's happening from the 30th of May to 1st June 2019. Venue is the National Theatre here in Accra. The general theme is Good Health, a driver for sustainable development. Interested businesses should call 0544 310864 or 0540 106466. The Joy Business Health and Wellness Trade Show has been endorsed by the Ministry of Health and is supported by New Crystal Health Services Limited, growing together in good health, and Health Link Healthy Man and Woman from Pharma Trust Limited.